As hoteliers, we know first impressions matter. And what better welcome than an impeccably kept hotel with a friendly team working in unison to make guests feel right at home. Meet FCS1 Cleaning, a powerful solution to streamline your housekeeping operations that keeps your team in sync and in the loop 24/7. Assign daily cleaning tasks to your room attendants in just 2 clicks while keeping full control of your room assignment and automatically dispatched to their mobile. Keep your hotel looking its best consistently with guided cleaning checklists and post real-time updates on room status, minibars, and more from your mobile to your PMS. Create and assign cleaning requests on the go with dispatch and multi-level escalation. Manage your lost and found to track your guest lost items and log found items in real time. Let your guests opt out of linen change. Keep an eye on your team's progress in real time and stick to your own standards with inspection checklists. And if that's still not enough, we've got more. With over 40 modules available, FCS1 supports more than 20 languages across multiple devices. Built on modular microservices technology, FCS1 integrates with all the major property management systems and other third-party solutions through open APIs. FCS1 provides a comprehensive suite of hospitality operations solutions designed with your staff in mind. Contact us today. Discover how FCS1 can enhance your guest experience.